This is a fantastic daily postpartum yoga practice that incorporates full body feel-good yoga as well as pelvic floor exercises for healing. This practice is diastasis recti safe. I will be using a ball for one of the moves. If you don't have a ball, you could also just grab a throw pillow. We can start on our mat in child's pose. Spreading your knees wide apart. We can walk down, releasing your forehead on the ground. Let's take a big 360-degree breath into our ribs, including our side and back ribs. And exhale, release. Again, a big inhale, expanding through your ribs. And this time on exhale, we can engage our core, option to engage our pelvic floor. One more time, big inhale. And exhale, engage. Good, we can walk our hands back in, coming to all fours. We can start taking some hip circles. Let's go the other way. Coming back up to all fours. On an exhale, let's round out for cat. Inhale, look up, tilting your tailbone up. Exhale, round out, pushing your hands into the ground. And inhale, looking up. We can come back to a neutral spine here. We can either do bird dog, lifting opposite arm and leg, or for an extra core challenge, you can lift diagonally. On an exhale, engaging your core, either lift straight or you can lift right out to the diagonal. Inhale, back down. We can switch sides. Exhale, lifting up. Option to lift to the diagonal. Inhale, down. Good, not letting your hips sway at all. Exhale. Inhale, down. Other side. Continuing with your breath. Good. We'll move into thread the needle. We can take one hand behind our ear. Let's open up slightly first and then thread our arm underneath our other arm. Resting your shoulder and your head on the ground. Feeling a nice stretch through your upper back. We can press into our hand in front of our face, and we can switch to the other side, slightly opening up before we thread our arm through. Good. Pressing back up into all fours, we can come onto our knees. Let's take our right leg out to the side and we can inhale our arms up. We're going to tip over on an inhale. Exhale, engage your obliques, engage your core. Coming up, good. Inhale, tilt. Exhale, up. Last one on this side. Good. We can switch to the other side. Inhale, tipping over. Exhale to come up. Good, releasing out. I'm gonna turn to the side here. We can get ready for a kneeling lunge. Bringing one foot in front. We can shift our hips forward. Let's raise our arms up. If it feels good, you can clasp your hands together, stretching your hands up and looking up. Exhale. Let's push out of the pose. We can move to the other side. Shifting into lunge, slight tuck of your pelvis. This time we can clasp our elbows or our hands behind your back. Externally rotate your arms and hands can reach away as you look up, opening up through your chest. Keeping your ribs pulled down. Exhale, release. We can push into your front foot. And coming back down to your knees, let's grab a quick sip of water. We can come up to standing. Let's turn to our right, and we can take a big step back with our left foot. Keeping both legs straight, we'll move into Trikonasana, stacking your shoulders over top of your front leg, rolling your shoulders down your back, re-engaging your core. On your next exhale, windmill up. We can take our back foot just a little bit farther back, bending your front knee for warrior two. Deep breaths in through your side and back ribs. Exhale, zippering up through your core. You can take your left hand towards your back leg and let's stretch over. On an exhale, moving into extended side angle. Exhale, re-engage your core. Let's come up and we can shift to triangle on the other side. Leaning forward and then dropping your top hand. It doesn't matter how far it goes down your leg. Exhale, coming up. Moving into warrior two. Shoulders roll down your back. Beautiful, dropping your right hand down, nice side stretch. Exhale, moving into our extended side angle. Top hand sweeps down and behind you. Exhale, let's come up and we can step our feet together. We're going to find our balance on our left foot. Exhale, lifting your right knee up. We'll take a big inhale in, 360 degrees around. And then exhale, zippering up, option for a pelvic floor contraction. And hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big inhale, release, exhale, holding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time, inhale, exhale, holding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, releasing down. Good. Let's switch to the other side. Exhale, lift. Inhale, breathing into your ribs. Exhale, zippering up your core, pelvic floor contraction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, releasing your pelvic floor. Expanding, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Good. We can find our way down onto the mat, onto our backs. Lowering down safely on your side. You can bring your heels in to touch your fingertips. Let's fully relax through our pelvic floor. And then we can imagine a blueberry at the opening of our vagina, and as we exhale, we're going to lift that blueberry in and up. We also want to feel a slight tension here on that exhale inside our bony hip protrusion here. Let's take a big inhale through our ribs. Exhale, lifting our blueberry in and up. We'll hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, big inhale. Exhale, lift. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. We can work on our fast twitch muscles. So we're going to lift our pelvic floor up and fully release as quickly as we can, fully. And go. Good, fully release. On an exhale, let's lift one knee up and we can press on that knee. Exhale, engage, inhale, down. Switching to the other side, lift. Core is strong. pressing on your knee. Inhale, down. Exhale, zippering through your core, lifting your pelvic floor. Inhale, release. One last time. Good. This is where if you have a ball or a pillow, you can grab it. We're going to place it between our knees. And you can squeeze your pillow or your ball. And exhale, we're going to lift and zipper up, lifting into bridge and rolling it down again on your inhale. Exhale, lift, engage. Inhale, down. So it starts from the bottom, pelvic floor, zipper, lift, release. One last time. Release. Good. We can remove the ball and let's take our knees apart, stretching, fully relaxing through your pelvic floor. Also, option to bring your feet up and grab the outside edge for happy baby. Release. Let's roll over onto our side. Come back up to a seated position. Namaste. You did an amazing job today. I hope that your body is feeling good. This is part of the May monthly workout challenge, and every month I have a new workout calendar that comes out. Every month you can find the new calendar in the community tab of my channel, or if you're on my email list, I will email you out the calendar.